Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Sauer, founder of Rebuild Your Ultimate Health. Did you know, when people get older, often their stomachs do not make enough acid anymore. Heartburn and indigestion are not caused by high stomach acid, but by the reflux of normally occurring stomach acid. Lack of stomach acid, whether caused by age or by antacids, leads to indigestion and malabsorption of important nutrients. Vitamin B12 is not absorbed properly. Proteins cannot be broken down in amino acids and others. I see many people nowadays suffer from lack of important amino acids, which can cause mental illness. Let me know what you think about that in the comments below.